Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model VF2, serial number 14713. This machine was new in 1998, and we're gonna run it for you. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle with a 20 tool umbrella style 20 ATC capacity. Right now we're running at 1500 in a high range. It's a 2-speed gearbox. It goes up to 7500 RPM.
3500.
Right now we're at 3500. Machine also comes equipped with programmable coolant.
6,000.
How many thousand?
6,000.
6,000 RPM. Okay. Spindle brake. Yep. Spindle orient.
300 in the low range.
Low range, okay.
1,000 in the low range.
1,000 in the low, very quiet.
1,500.
1,500. Okay. We're doing a tool change. Another. Programmable coolant nozzles moving. All right. X-axis. You have 30 inches of X. $16 of Y. $20 of Z. You also have a 36 by 15 T-slotted work surface on the table. Telescopic weight covers. Nice machine. Thank you for watching our video.